Hello students, today we are going to discuss exterior angle of a triangle and its property, and after that we will start exercise 6.2. So we understand this property with the help of an activity. So students, exterior angle property of a triangle state that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Now we are going to verify this statement with the help of activity. Before start this activity, first we have to know about the exterior angle and the interior angle of a triangle. Angle formed interior of a triangles are known as interior angle, and angle formed exterior part of a triangle is known as the exterior angle. For making exterior angle, we have to extend one of its side, and in this way an angle is formed outside of the triangle. We call it exterior angle of the triangle. Now in this property we have to prove that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Here 1 and 2 are the interior opposite angles, so we have to prove that value of angle 4 means value of exterior angle is equal to value of angle 1 plus value of angle 2 means sum of its interior opposite angle. For this, first we draw a triangle of any measurement and mark its angle as 1, 2 and 3. Then we draw a similar triangle of same measurement and extend one of its side in this way. Now we cut this triangle in this way so that we obtain 3 of its angles separately. Here you can see 3 angles of the triangle, and we cut down into 3 parts. From these 3 parts, we place angle 1 and angle 2 in the exterior angle means angle 4, and here we can see that these two triangle means angle 1 and angle 2 completely overlap angle 4. What does it mean? It means angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. In this way we can verify that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Now move to our exercise 6.2, and first question of this exercise is find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. As we all know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. In the first diagram you can see here that x is the exterior angle and 50 degree and 70 degree are the opposite interior angle. So value of x must be equal to 50 degree and 70 degree. So its answer is 120 degree. So value of x is 120 degree. Move to its second part. In the second part you can see here that x is the exterior angle and 65 degree and 45 degree are opposite interior angle. So value of x is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. From here we can conclude that value of x is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree. From here we get our answer 110 degree. Move to third part of this question, and third part is, in the third part we have to find out the value of angle x. For this we have to add 30 degree and 40 degree. After adding we have x is equal to 30 plus 40 and answer is 70 degree. In this way you can solve rest of the question of this exercise.